Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with clean hands and a soft surface to protect the lens. First, inspect the gyro lens attachment, magnets or tabs, so you know what to release. Grip the lens near the upper center and gently pull outward while supporting the frame with your other hand. Do this evenly on both sides to prevent warping. If you feel resistance, pause and locate the next clip. Forcing it risks cracking the lens. Once the top releases, work down the sides slowly until the lens is free. Now align the new gyro lens so the top center tab meets the frame first. This gives you a reference point. Hold the lens flush and press the top inward until it seats, then work toward each corner, applying even pressure until you hear clicks or feel magnets engage. Make sure the lens curvature matches the foam. Misalignment causes fogging or gaps. If your model uses a clip, double-check each clip snaps. Once seated, run your fingers around the edge to confirm a continuous seal. Finish by putting the goggles on and checking fit with your helmet if you use one. Look for gaps at the nose and temples and ensure vents are unobstructed. A proper seal keeps wind and moisture out. Wipe the lens inside and out with a microfiber to remove fingerprints and oils. Store the spare lens in its pouch. If you notice fogging, glare, or poor seating, reseat the lens paying attention to each clip or magnet and inspect foam for debris. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.